morning everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Glenbrook located in Whitefield East, Bangalore. With spacious luxury residences, premium amenities and excellent connectivity to Bangalore's major IT hubs, Prestige Glenbrook is designed for those looking for a sophisticated, comfortable and well-connected lifestyle. So in this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Prestige Glenbrook is a premium residential development by Prestige Group located in Whitefield East, Bangalore. The project is spread across approximately 4.5 acres and features 285 exclusive residences across 2 residential towers. The towers are designed with a 2 basement, a stilt level and 15 floors, offering spacious 4 BHK residences along with higher floor options. With elegant architecture, thoughtfully planned layout, and modern lifestyle amenities, Prestige Glenbrook offers an exclusive living experience for families looking for premium homes in Whitefield. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So Prestige Glenbrook enjoys excellent connectivity to some of the Bangalore's key business hubs, IT parks and lifestyle destination. ITPL Tech Park and Whitefield Metro Station are approximately 10 minutes away, while Whitefield Railway Station is also around 10 minutes away from the project. Prestige Shantiniketan is approximately 12 minutes away, Outer Ring Road is around 15 minutes away, and Phoenix Market City can be reached in approximately 20 minutes. Kempegowda International Airport is around 50 minutes away, and with its strategic location in Whitefield East, the project offers convenient connectivity for IT professionals as well as families who want easy access to workplaces, shopping, entertainment, and other everyday conveniences. And now let's take a look at the amenities and lifestyle. So Prestige Glenbrook offers a thoughtfully planned range of amenities focused on fitness, recreation, relaxation, and community living. Residents can enjoy a swimming pool with a dedicated kids pool, a fully equipped gym, table tennis, landscape areas, and children play areas. Visitor parking is also provided for added convenience. And if we talk about the pricing and configuration, so Prestige Glenbrook offers spacious 4 BHK residences with 4 toilets, and the apartments have a carpet area of approximately 2,928 square feet, with the prices starting at around 3.82 crore rupees onwards. Higher floor options are also available depending on the current inventory, and the residences are designed with spacious living and dining area, premium finishes, large balconies, and excellent natural light and ventilation, creating a comfortable and luxurious living experience. If we talk about the booking and payment plan, so this project offers a 25-75 payment plan where 25% is payable at the time of booking and the remaining 75% is payable on possession. The expected possession timeline is June 2027, and Prestige Glenbrook brings together spacious 4 BHK residences, premium lifestyle amenities, and a strategic location in Bangalore's thriving Whitefield IT corridor. With a trusted legacy of Prestige Group, limited residences, and thoughtfully designed homes, the project can be an attractive option for families looking for a premium lifestyle in Whitefield East. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.